Hi everyone, Nadeem here from Elitech. In the past, our MS4000 Smart Manifold Gauge already features powerful capabilities including pressure, temperature, leak testing, vacuum, and refrigerant weight measurement, making it perfect for routine maintenance and check-in HVAC system. But we have always been committed to enhancing the user experience. Today I'm excited to show you the improvement made through the OTA upgrade and highlights the existing new features in the upgraded MS4000 compared to the previous version. On my left is the upgraded device and on my right is the old version. Now we are powering on both devices at the same time. Look at this, the upgraded device boots up incredibly fast within 4 to 5 seconds. One is still starting up slowly. With the upgrade, we have implemented a completely new GUI algorithm that significantly boosts boot time, making the operation smoother with almost no lag. We have made comprehensive upgrades to the user interface, creating a more immersive experience. We have also added a super convenient drop-down menu, similar to a mobile shortcut interface. Now you can quickly adjust settings like data logging, Bluetooth, and display modes without constantly switching between menus, significantly boosting your efficiency. It's really cool. To meet a variety of needs, we offer over 140 refrigerants options and will continue to update them. By connecting the device through the Elitech Tools app, you can personalize refrigerants data, adding or removing refrigerants as needed. You can add up to 20 commonly used refrigerants, providing maximum flexibility for different working environments. We have added both dark mode and light mode. Whether you are working in bright sunlight or low light condition, you will always have the best displayed visibility, stay clear and sharp anytime, anywhere. New features: instant offline data export through the app. With the app, you can view historical data and export reports in Excel or PDF format for easy archiving and further analysis. This smart analytics help you more informed decisions. We initially supported only 2 languages, but now we have upgraded to 6 languages: English, Spanish, Portuguese, Chinese, German, and French. We will continue adding more languages in the future to ensure a seamless experience for users worldwide. OTA upgrade process is just as simple. Just connect the device to the app via Bluetooth when a new version is available. You will receive a pop-up notification, and with a simple tap, the upgrade is complete. It's incredibly easy, ensuring that you always have the latest features and improvements to keep your device in top condition. This is the fully upgraded MS4000 Smart Manifold Gauge. We always listen to your needs, and through OTA upgrades, we continuously innovate and improve, enhancing the user experience, extending the lifespan of your equipment, and lowering replacement costs. At Elitech, we focus on AI HVAC refrigerants tools, using sensors, data collection, connectivity, cloud computing, and AI to redefine the future of HVAC refrigerants tools.